Hey guys, Shaden back here for another video. Okay, and today we are doing Minecraft. And if you're wondering, I have iron. Well, I went mining. I found a cave. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Wait, is it this way? I forgot where the island was. Hold on. Yeah, it's this way. So I think in today's episode, well, I already told you we're gonna go mining. So yeah, I did a little cave. I left the big cave for like the recordings. That way, I think it's over here. So that way you guys can see that I'm actually going mining. What am I doing? I mean, where is it? Um, I think it's over here. I'm not sure. I forgot. It might be on this island. Oh, we need a bed. Oh, great. Yeah, I searched that. It might be over here. Whoa, oh, that's a cave. Where's my boat? Okay, stay there, boaty. I don't know why I named my boat boaty, but I did. I think it's over here. Yeah, I don't know where it is. I'll get back to you guys when I find it and when it's morning time. Alright, boys, I found it finally. It's over here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go mining either way. And how am I gonna get back up? I got 2 blocks. I need this iron. Man, oh my gosh, I got the sneezes. What? I came all the way down here. I got hyped for no reason. Alright, I gotta try to make my way home. Oh, it's iron. Okay, how am I gonna do this? I got this, okay, and some gravel, and some wood. So let's see if I can get out of here. Okay. Okay, I got it. I guess I didn't need that many blocks. Okay, where's my boat? Okay, right here. Oh, okay, that skeleton wants me dead. I think this is my island. Okay, so I guess we made a little bit of progress. We got some iron. I think we can make like a full stack. Okay. I'm pretty sure you can not make it full stack. Make full iron armor. Because that island is a big island, so we gotta explore like the entirety of it. So yeah, if you guys want me to do live streams on Minecraft, I'll do them. If you guys just gotta comment down below. I guess I got a sugar farm over here. Okay, cool. I didn't even put that down. Any more trees grow? Nope. It's always raining in this world. God, I didn't even put that much water down. What? 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 Is this like a glitch or something? Okay, I guess I got a waterfall. I need to put some torches on the roof and stuff so that way no mobs spawn. Oh yeah, and I definitely need torches in my little mine. Where is it? I don't know where anything is anymore. So I got a... This island's actually not that small though. It's actually kind of big. That island I'd say is my tree island, because yeah, and that island over there is... That island over there? Yeah, that's whatever. I should put my iron to smelt. Hey, but where is my little mine? I think it's over here. And I need to eat. It's always raining in this road. Before I ended last episode, it was raining. And that wasn't even... That wasn't even that long ago. And all my trees go... Oh, I hate when they're big trees. They get left. Oh, it's right here. Wow. Okay. Oh, I need some torches around the edges. Bam. And then I need some torches in here. I can make a little base in here. Yeah. I'm not. Let me get some of this stuff. Way faster cutting than a stone and like the stone and stuff like that. Okay, I'm just gonna get the rest of the trees and then after that I'll get that. What am I doing? Okay, I got a full stack. Okay, I'm gonna get this now. Sorry if you think this series is boring. I'm just trying to, I don't know, play the game and record. I'm just doing what I like to do and showing other people. Gonna get that content, boys. It's great content. And I already hear bad guys, so yeah. I need a bed. Let me smelt more of my iron. Oh, I need more coal. Okay, there we go. Okay, that cave was so trashy though. Yeah. Hey, man, take me by the hand. Give me all that wood, boy. I'm probably gonna expand my house. Right now, I know it's not like the best time, but whatever. Just to make it a little bigger. Oh, snap, frick off. Elliot here, frick off, mate. Move out the way. Bruh, frick off. Okay, goodbye. Okay, our house is a little bigger now. Okay, so at least we got a decent sized house so I can put my bed and stuff. Oh, no! I did not mean to do that. I got more cobblestone? No. Okay. I guess this is gonna be made out of wood. This is gonna look so weird. Actually, oops, it don't look that weird. I think I'm gonna make an upstairs too. Where's the door? Where's the door? Ah! You suck. Oh, wait, what? Ah! You suck even more. Okay, so yeah, I think we made pretty good progress in this episode. We got some iron. That's pretty lit. Okay, I'm gonna make full iron armor real quick. Hold up, boys. Okay. Oh wow, finally stopped raining. Wait, what? Okay. Bam. Boop. Ba. Bam. Chicken. It's your lucky day! Turn! I just missed like every single shot on him. Like how I do in Fortnite! Oh yeah. You suck. Come on. You know you wanna die. More friends wanna come? Huh? Oh snap! This dude. Dude, freak off. Get out of my house! I never invited you. I just opened the door to kill you. Dang man, so mean. Okay, boys. Minecraft house on fleek. Oh. Bop. Okay, let me smelt some of this food. Oh, that's the right food I got, so, yeah. Next episode, boys. Oh, I don't know why I keep saying boys. Probably girls watching this too. But, like, next episode, we're gonna focus on our house and our garden, so next episode is gonna be a juicy episode like how it was today. So, yeah. I'm probably gonna make a second for the next episode. I'm not sure, so don't expect me to do it, but I don't know. Okay. But I want to, but I don't know if we'll, have time. Okay, so next episode I'm probably gonna get a bed before I start the episode. So after this episode, I'm probably just gonna keep on playing Minecraft and trying to get a bed. But when I do, so that way I can just go to sleep and then you guys don't have to go through the dreadful night with me. And plus, either way, those things come after you. I forgot what they're called, but like the phantoms. If you don't sleep for 5 nights, they come after you. So yeah, that's pretty not lit. Okay. Let me see I want to see if that looks cooler. Maybe put a chest here, and a chest there. Nah. Alright, boys, I just want to say good.